Leaving the Cybertruck in the dust. Oh, we leaving his on.
Please, I told my lawyer to pick a trial date. They know if I stay free, we gon' keep raising up the crime rate. I've been peeping niggas' vibe. I'm praying all these evil thoughts stop creeping through my mind.
YouTube, what's poppin', man? Today I'm bringing y'all the 2024 Tesla. I'm just gonna be driving around Houston showing y'all how it is, the daily drive of a 2024 Tesla. Next year, 2025, I believe only more electric cars gonna come out. So why not get used to driving electric cars, get accustomed to seeing electric cars, get familiar with them. But today we are starting with the 2024 Tesla. Everything on the outside pretty much the same except for them rims, these lights that just turned off on me. And if the wind blowing, I don't got all that shit yet. Mics, all that. This is straight off the phone type shit. All right, bet. And this changed. So, you know, the old Teslas, they used to have the lights. I'll show y'all instead of trying to explain it. Hold up. All right, y'all see how the tail lights come with the trunk instead of the half of the tail lights right there and half of the tail lights still on the bottom. But yeah, basically that's the difference. Let's close that. Almost manually close it. What am I doing? This is a Tesla, man. Come on. Another difference is it has this screen in the back. It's not on right now because the car is not on. And they got these motherfucking lights, man. Y'all see these lights? Y'all see how beautiful it is in Houston? Enough of that talking. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if y'all like these type of videos. I'll keep bringing these type of videos to y'all, man. About to go ahead and hop in this car. All right, let's get this video cracking, man. I ain't really about to get into too much of the, you know, details of this car. If you want to learn all that, go watch YouTube, boy. My first initial thoughts, though, driving this car, I ain't gonna lie, it's quick. But it's not as quick as the i4. If you know, you know. Go like, comment, subscribe, watch my first video. I drove the i4. If you like these type of videos, make sure you go tune in, man. It don't cost you nothing to tune in. It's free. I'm bringing these videos to y'all because I like doing it. But at the same time, I know y'all like doing it. Y'all like hearing my voice. It's all right. You ain't got to act like you don't like hearing my voice. In there. Let's see. 325. All right, we out. As y'all can see, the turning signals are on the steering wheel. Ain't that fucking crazy? Oh my gosh. Bro, almost just went the wrong way. No, not the start of the video going the wrong way. That would have been bad. Yeah, that would have been bad. No way. Turning signal. I've been driving this car for a little second, so I'm getting used to the turning signals. But before I kept on doing this and it was getting irritating. But now since I've been driving it, it's kind of smooth. You just got to use one thumb for real, for real. Top, right, left, bottom. Simple as that. You trying to give me some content, man? You about to go or what? No? I'll go. Okay. I'm onto an open road. Slight pull. Woo. Sheesh. Now let's find out where the freeway is at. Got the Mustang. Yeah. I want to change the color from blue. Go to car. Go to lighting. Lights. And let's see. I want to do like yeah, purple. Purple rain. Jeez. I look over. Somebody got in an accident. They stuff is bent up too. That's why you have to be safe out here, guys. Just to inform you guys before this video continue, this is Days with Will Stunt Devil. So please, please, please have patience with me. I don't do YouTube. This is all new to me. And Yeah, let's get rocking. And we off. Is this the freeway? I don't want to take off and it's not the freeway. Okay, that's easy time. Oh no, south. Oh yeah, we here. Come on. Whew. This is a quick car. I ain't gonna. Oh, whoa. Try to get me there. Y'all see that turn right there? Hey, if this was backed up, that could have been bad. Let me wait till we get to the freeway. These red lights, man. I'm just trying to get to the freeway, please. Come on. Ooh, Hellcat. Hellcat. Green light. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Put this pep in your step. As you can see, we have the purple rain lighting, new to the 2024 Tesla. Let me know if you guys like that lighting. I think it's pretty cool. Something different, you know, give you that luxury vibe, even though we're electric. Luxury electric. Hey, come on now, Tesla. Come on now, Tesla. I'm putting two to two together for y'all, man. Luxury electric. No, I think BMW part. Bro, what the? Are you serious, Honda? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Fuck nugget. Golly. Cut me off, no. Oh yeah, we getting through that. We ain't standing through that. Oh, out of here. We getting through that. Come on. And my ear itching. I can't even itch it because I got the phone and I'm driving. Oh, man. Y'all subscribe to this motherfucking video. Please. Now let me stop playing for y'all niggas think I'm weird or something. I just be playing around. I'm not gonna lie. This getting through traffic so smooth. Also, if you see this say 90s or whatever type of number it say, program the Tesla to, you know, throw different numbers up there so we can work on our coding. Because, you know, I do coding and stuff. So please disregard that. That is all messed up. We're really doing 60. And everyone else around us is doing, I think, 45, 50, and the 65. That's why we're kind of moving quicker. Yeah. Only thing I don't like about doing these POVs, honestly, that is copyright music and you can't motherfucking play the music, man. Oh yeah, get out of here. Oh, both of y'all, oh, thank you. Y'all making this so much more easier for me to cut up. Okay. Slow down. Slow down, Will. Slow down there, buddy. Slow down there. You know, we got these slow drivers in Houston. Slow non-driving at that. We can't slow down too long. Fuck up, Tesla. Shut the fuck up, Tesla. We do this. Nigga. My bad, y'all. Let me slow down. Ain't really too much cutting up on this part. Y'all let me know why y'all be watching the videos and not subscribing. Y'all just like to watch. Y'all one of them watching people. Y'all see somebody y'all like watching and don't subscribe. Man, subscribe, man. I think I'm the stunt devil out here doing all these stunts. For y'all not to subscribe to Days of Will, subscribe to that man. This stunt devil, he ain't paying me for no reason. He is not paying me for no reason. I get paid very well to be a stunt devil, and y'all is not subscribing to that man. That is ridiculous. So please subscribe and comment. Tell me where you from. Tell me something. Damn. Y'all shy as hell. Alright, now we out of that bullshit. Texas. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Look at that. Dude literally pulling in the middle of the road while this motherfucking coming through. What are you gonna do? Turn that damn blinker off. Imagine if you was sitting right here, we vibing, and I wasn't recording the YouTube channel, and you seeing the real me, smelling good, looking good. What's your favorite color? Purple, yellow, red? What you like? Oh, you like pink? I got you, baby. Let me know how. No hands to wheel. No hands to wheel. Oh my gosh, no hands cut up. Oh my gosh, I'm cutting up so bad the car don't even know what to do. Oh my gosh. Do not try that at home. I put two in the pink and one in the stink. Whoa, chill, bro. This no music got me wild, no cap. Oh my, what is going on? Oh, what is going on? No, turn it off. All right. Oh, how do I turn this shit off? Oh, here we go. Damn, fancy ass. This fucking Audi just trying to keep up. Move, go. Why you want to ride on the side of me, bro? Fuck out of here. Jeez, bro, I'm just trying to record my YouTube video. I know you just got off of work, working your long hours, your back broke, your back big. Damn, though. Fuck out my way, baby. Go this nigga again, man. Oh, bro, taking off with her. Everybody go get his ass. Jeez. That's why his ass got spooked, huh? Oh, you trying to run it? You trying to run it, little nigga? Yeah. That Dodge out of here. Hey, Dodge, y'all niggas, y'all going down bad every video. What the fuck is that, bro? I'm back. Shit getting tricky out here, man. This phone getting heavy as a second go. God damn. Let's change this pink off, though. I'm gonna give y'all a nice little drive, too. Watch the full video, man. Yeah, let's go back to blue. Blue face. Blue face, baby. But it's wheel face, baby. We on 46. We was just on like 60. I ain't gonna cap. We did not go nowhere. Y'all niggas scared to hit them corners, man. Y'all niggas scared to hit them corners, man. Y'all little scared niggas. Lights on. Lights off. Come on. Let's get this shit popping like bacon. Let's get it. Alright, we on 46. Let's see where we at the end of the video. Comment what percent we at the end of the video if you're watching right now. I'll cash up you $10. Leave your cash out. There go a Cybertruck. Whoo! That motherfucker big body. Let me get on the side of it. Oh yeah. Leaving the Cybertruck in the dust. Oh! We leaving his on. Oh! That's for like the little beginning of the video. Y'all niggas gonna be salty. Clickbait. That's how I get the clickbait right there. Let's finish cutting up though. Shit, the boys over there. I'm also keep on driving. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's cut up through this bit. Oh, what is this nigga doing? Damn, what is this nigga doing? Don't do that, guys. He could have just went to this side. What is wrong with that nigga? I wish there was a little bit more traffic so that y'all could really see me getting off on this motherfucker. But pretty much, I'm making home, smoke, go to sleep by the time they even get to their exit. Get out of there. Damn, bro, the motorcycle looking visible as hell. Gotta make sure I remember that nigga right there. I like to drive. I know I'm new to YouTube and shit, but damn, y'all be just let me talk to myself. I be seeing all the engagement, all the little unsubscribers watching, and y'all just hear me talking to myself, laughing, huh? That's how y'all feel? Young black man trying something different, come from the hood. Y'all want to subscribe? Nah, let me stop playing. Y'all do what y'all want, man. Y'all know I'm talking my little shit. Yeah, fuck out. Look, man, what am I doing? This is a cut-up video. Fucking around with y'all, man. Let's get back. Turn that shit on and off. We gonna come through here. Come through here. If I fucked up on the camera, oh well. Shit getting busy over here. We ain't worried about them brakes, nigga. You scared, nigga. We ain't worried about them brakes, little nigga. We get around those. Come on. I don't want to go too far. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do too much. We still got to worry about the safety. We still got to worry about safety. Come on. I should have went over there. Tripping. I know I should have did it, but I thought that truck was in the last lane. I'm tripping. Let's get out of here though. Tesla your light out, buddy. Man, stay where you at, nigga, if you ain't gonna leave, bruh. Do what this nigga doing. Fuck out the way. Corvette don't want no smoke. Nah, that's a Camaro. My bad. Oh. That's y'all little Hummer. Niggas got places to be. Bitch, the fuck. Nah, I quit.
After death, I pray, make it home. My bitch keep trying to argue. I just put my jack on vibrate. No more please, I told my lawyer to pick a trial date. They know if I stay free, we gon' keep raising up the crime rate. I been peeping niggas vibe. I'm praying all these evil thoughts stop creeping through my mind. They're telling me to off. I'm holding grudges. Any nigga ever cross me, it's gon' cost. I've been walking down this dark road. I'm kinda lost. Devil keep on trying to buy my soul. He asks how much it costs, it ain't for sale. Lately, I've been down inside, but they can't tell. I get like you love me for some fame. You niggas fake as hell. Bitch was texting me, ho, take that pussy and go pay the bills.
I don't read niggas even wanna bust up. Get nigga whack, I ain't got play tough. Used to be rich, but you fucked all up. Him this year ain't been whole much. Can't be mad, you just gotta catch up. The whole probably fucked every nigga with so much. I'm still in the hood, post up with the junkies. You never going back to the hood. Stop so much lean, my poppin' these crutches. Paying that bitch for the twat, you a custom. How you got smoke with your eyes and your job? I ain't need to make hate me leave. Rockin' the mask, got a pay just see. I'm classy, I'm shipping and raising my big. My bitch will be bad, her feet ain't pretty.
It's savage, I got more drip than a bolster, just this young class.
Yo. Oh, speed bump. Woo-hoo-hoo. That bitch was crazy. Hold up. Let me go ahead. If you made it this far in the video, man, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm about to get out the car. Matter of fact, I'm about to pull over right here. I'm not even gonna keep y'all waiting. I'm gonna give y'all one last look, and y'all give me one last chance for y'all to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yeezys on the feet. Yeah. But yeah, anyways, man, just wrap this video up. This is reviewing the 2024 Tesla Model 3. Would I give it 1 out of 10? I'll give it, for a regular pedestrian, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. For me, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. So I need gas cars, but this is a quick car. Quick like me. Icy. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Here we go.